We're out here in Ilsicles, also known as the Tranquil River in Toluquit territory, and today we're working on building a big in-stream wood structure. See, decades ago when this watershed was logged, a lot of sediment came down, inundated the river, causing it to run straighter and wider than it had historically, reducing its complexity and thus habitat for fish. Now, as you can see, we're working on this really straight section of the river here. It's really shallow, very little complexity, bare gravel, eroding banks, basically only red alder growing on the banks here. So we're working on breaking that up by installing this structure right here. So first, there's a lot going on. First, we excavated a big pool that's going to add depth to the channel, slow and cool the water, while also filtering out sediments on the tail end. Then, we've collected logs, like this one being moved here, from the nearby area and are laying them horizontally, intermixed with smaller woody debris and slash, kind of like a big layer cake of wood, and then driving other logs down vertically, which is going to help stabilize the structure. Now, this diversity of coarse and fine woody debris in the stream channel here, in combination with that pool, works to create a bunch of habitat for juvenile and spawning salmon. See, the bigger logs provide shade and shelter while also redirecting the flow of water in a way that diversifies the stream channel to create more complexity, and all the fine woody debris and bits of slash not only provide habitat and hiding spaces for these juvenile fish, but nutrients and resources for all the insects that they feed on. Now, this is just one structure of many we have planned in this part of the river, and collectively, they work to break up the long straight stretch of river to deepen and narrow the stream channel while adding twists, turns, bends, eddies, and pools that will give salmon a great place to grow and thrive at all stages of life. Yet even still, this structure and all the restoration work we do is no substitute for a healthy river, and it's a heck of a lot easier to protect and conserve than it is to restore, but this structure will provide a band-aid of immediate habitat to help bolster the rapidly declining salmon and trout populations in this watershed. Pretty cool.